Malaila mali e aho e ki moilele i tonga kotoa fia ke u taritali lele ki mo tolu ki o mo ngahi o ngongo mo le tio kai uma ai televisione tonga ki he hoani i he wakai ko ia ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Malolo ai whiwine mui ta o tahawalo me kolomotua i whakatu tama ki i hala pule anga i kanako polo. Lawa whekakai ne nau au kao mai ki he whaleloto senituli aniafi ki hono malangai e senturi e kolisi kuni Salote o awhio ai mo e nā awhiwhio. Pea i kuna ai o wau tuku pale ki mo unga o e ahoni ko e whakamalo ia e he kolisi kuni Salote ai mā i moaola ai ulua ki whā i hono whotuu o e kolisini ma ai whānau whiwhini. O kuto iei pe ngāhi taranoa kehea na iangi pihai ta wakai ki ngāhi o ngongo me he malai o e sipoti kai o ma ai wakai ki to unga o ea. Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he whakai ki iki, ko au liliani polotele. Na e kamata ne awhi a he kātoa ngā aho whā ai seni tōli o kolisi kuni Salote. Ko e aho na e whaikiai ai teu osi kia velenga ai whānau wako, kau whai ako, kolisi tutuku mo i kau pou ko toa pe o ako angani. Ne kamata e ngahi polo kalama whaka ofisiale hono kātoa ngai o e kolisini i he henghenga ne awhi a ki e whakawhamili ne whakahoko pe i he ako anga. Ka koe whakaiki ki e taranoa ko ia pe ki ngahi o wau ne whakahoka ne awhi i he kātoa ngai kolisi kuni Salote mō popua aho.
Na e whakahoko i malanga o aho i he whalelotu sentuni o i lotu aia na e haere ai ni e he na awhiwhio ki ntu pōpono mo kuina na spau pe me ai whoki mai ho eiki mai kau whakawhi toko lahi. Ko e tangata eiki Palestine sia siwe siliana tau atai na o Tonga whai whikau toki tāte vita havea na ne whakahoko ai malanga o i aho. Pea pōpou ki ngāhi whatongia o i malanga ai kau whine eiki ko i kau kolis tutuku me he ngāhi wāhenga ki he kehe i tongani mo tō pule anga pea mea he ni moe ni ihi me he whane o tupou ko e pōpou ki he ngāhi whatongia ko ia i he malanga. Nai whakahoko lewa ai lotu whakawhitai o e sentuli e he tangata eik Palestini mālolo whaiwhikau toki tā ahio. I he kakato ai o wau malanga, nai whakahoko mo hoa tau mawha i he mala e pangai lahi, ai a koe talitali ko ia nai whakawhatongia ai ki ai whānau wako lolotonga. Nai whakahoko i peheni ai whakami ite ai kolis lolotonga, i he whaiwa mā ulu pe ai kolisi koe tala o lo au, ai ana e wāhenga ai a prinsesi halai whalu mata aho. Ko lau awhia kau whalau me muli ko nau lava mai ki nau kau whakataha i he maalani o kātoanga koe ni, pea kua hoko e whamawhana i teo e kātoanga senturi, ke ngā tūwai ai whanua ako toa o au ke ngahi ako anga kehe, ngahi ngawe anga, ngahi pisnisi, pe he ke pule anga kawai me ofisia palemia, i e mau ai lau maria mawhana o kātoanga, whakahai e nau pōpou mo talamunu ke kolis kuin Salote, a ke nau teunga lanu pulu, mo tuku ato e ngahi pōpoa ki talamunu, e miti a whakasosiale. Ko kātoanga senturi o kolis kuin Salote, ko ne whakatataha ia i e whanua kotoa i he wikeni, o inas kotoa i atongani i aho mālolo whakapuli anga makehe, na e tutuni he kapneti ke hoko ane awhi ko e pōpou pēr puli anga, ki he whailonga i ai futa o mahu ingani ma ai taha, o ngahi kolis tupu ai whanua, ka pehe ki he whamalo ia ai tau anga ai kolisi, i he tau e te au, ma ai ngahi tau tangata toko lahi o tongani. O ku hoko atai pia e kātoa ngā o toka kāto ki he aho Salote.
I he te eki ke mawhoa ai a tā i he pongi o e aho ni. Ne awhio tonu ai e na awhiwhio king tupo wono mo kuinina na spau i he o wau tuku pale ki mo unga ai kolisi kuni Salote ko e whakahounga mo e whakamalo ia ai mai mua ola ai uluaki whā o Tonga kua unga whanua siau si tupo uluaki. I he ne foto o e kolisi kuni Salote i e tāhiwa wau no. Ko e o wau tuku paleni ko e konga ia i e ngahi polo kalama ko whototo o ke whainonga i aki ka kato e tau e te au pe senetoli a hana foto o e kolisi kuni Salote i tongani talo mi he tahiwa wau no. I mea ai tahine prinsesi Latu Peka I hana whakaha o I puipui tu ai historia. O kumahino pene uluaki mokoi a seonsi tupo uluaki ke whotu ai kolisi ko tupo I he taha walo no. Pea kolisi tonga I he taha walo wā.
Koe whakawhetai koe ahoni. Ko hono whakawhina ngaloa e tamatui, mo e hou eiki o whanua. Ke a koi a haawhawhine. Nai whakahua whai e ne a whio, sias tupo uluaki. Ai api a ko, koe kolis kuin Salote, ki hono o hoana, koe taahine, ko kuin Salote lupe pau. E taimi ko ia, ne ako whakataha a whawhine mo tangata I nā whualo mo toloa. Pea tok mawahe mai e kolis kuin Salote ki koloni o whakotu. He tāhewa wano, koe uhi kua ngai pole. Kana e whakatau mo koe e tama mo e taaine koini. Ki hono pāo toloa ke lotu mo e ako, kai tau te whito ki haa whawhine. Talo me e taaine koini Salote lupe pau. Mo e hoko koini mai, a hono whakatau lama, mo tokanga e kina, ai kolis kuin Salote. Nai ia e wholofola tohi, ai ne a whio, sias tupo uluaki, ki hono alo, ki a plinis vuna tak maloi. Ne pekia hono taha ono, ne te eki ai ke taane, pea ko ene tapou ki ai na e pehe. Mātu aki tokanga ki e ako, he koe ngā aue lahi, mamafa, pea mo whai ngata. Ka koe ngā aue, o fungani hono lelei, I ngā aue kotoa pe I mamani.
Ne kau pe whoki I he ne mea o whikau aki me ngahi historia o ngahi tui o kutoto wha I mo unga. Keu hi koe ngahi mā I moaola ko nau tai mua I hono teki o māmai a ko mo lonto I tongani. Ne whakahoko ai e he kolisi koe ni Salote ai o wau tuku pale koe ni ki mo unga I he pongipongi ahoni. Koe hounga ia I he mā I moaola kua whai e he uloaki wha siao si tupo uloaki ma ai whanau whiwhine o tongani. Na e haere heni e ne a whio king tupo wono o tai mua I he o wau tuku pale ki mo unga. Na e hoko atu ki he tama pirinisi kalau ni tupo toa o rukalala pea hoko tuai pe I he whale o e ne a whio e ki pale mia moe ni ihi ki he pe. Ne kau ki heni I he o wau tuku pale ki mo unga mo I kau whakawafonga mi toa pule anga keu heke ngahi whilala vei o nau mao pe I he whingai aki mo kolisi ko ni Salote. Ko hono whakatoka o I pale ki mo unga ne tataki pe ia e he apa o I hao lawaki mo I kau ni Tongatapu. Kua le ko te potunga o e polisi ai whine mui tau taha walu me kolomotua ke mole ene mo ui. Tupu eni me whakatu utamaki I hala pule anga I ka noku polu I pongponge ahoni. Pehe e he komanta pule o ngahi apitanga polisi Tongatapu halatoa tau whaki hongonga le te o tonga. Ko e whamatala malawa ki tāna ki hilolo tongani, ko e peki a pene whakauli pena e iai ai kaunga tonu ki heni ai maukawa mālohi.
Pena iai pia mo ne pāsese, ai a koe tō tātangata pia mo tō tāwhiwhine. Nā nau whanonga mai he ala me he mui whanua pia mi hatafu. O nau whoki mai ki koroni, o si whae mea le re whiunga tonu pia mo tokolo ko kano polu. O hoko ai whakatamaki koe ni. Ai koe pehepe koe si wha koe ni ki he kauhala mata ui he hau koe mi hatafu. No tokolo ni o kano polu. Nofke ap no whaanga e whawhika ue siriana. Ai a koe ma whawawamina e si wha ki kauhala o a oi ke pouhila, pouhila o pena e moto e pouhila koe ni.
O kukei whakakia ke I he whare mahaki ai pāsese e toko ua ne hao mo ui ai au I he tuunga whakatu o tāmaki ai toko taha. Koe ngai whakamatala pe eni malawa ki mao e he kau polisika o kukei hoka tu pe whakatotolo mo I kei whakatatali ki ha whainga mālie ai ngō pāsese ke toko ni ki he whakatotolo. Nora tonga ia ko kei whama mawhai e hala toa ai maho inga ki he kau whakauli mo ka kai e whunua ki nau toi to kangange I hono ngawe a ki hala pole e ngata te whito ki he whakauli ko nā te lia hamu ui e mole. Ko e toka ngahe ko e mo ui whika tolu a ki eni ko le ko ti I he tauni ke mate tupu me whakatū tāmaki I he hala pole a ngā. O kulorotonga whātatolo I he kau polisi ai ngahi hui ne mau eni I he wafu Amerika I he whiawhi pule lulu o he wikeni. Ne mau eni e hani ihi o toki li po ti atu ki he kau polisi pehe e hala toa tau whami he poto ngāwe polisi ne mau eni o ku whao iha tangai hine hina o hai ki ha maka I tahi. Ne ngāwe atu e kau polisi o whakapapao I pe koe hui tangata eni. I he lolotonga ni o ku whai e whātatolo mo e whetogoni aki me ngai kopo whekau aki me tokanga ke uhi ko ha whainga mālie ke whilawe ia e kawe ngani mo hono mau I ko ia ngahi whaitoka ka aku kei whaipe whakatotolo ke ilo pe whamo o nii ai to o ngā totonu ko ia o e ko ngā sino ko ni na e mao. Kua tali poto ngā ue pe pule anga no sila ke holoki ai totongi o kolengo fua folau I he visa folau ewa ki no sila me ngai whunua I Pasifiki o kauke a Tongani. Ke kamatanga e aki eni I he aho ulua ki o sone wanoa wano. Ko hili eni hono whakaha e he minister ki mōli koe a no sila Winston Peters e ha whakataha ma kehe mo I kau whaiongongo me he Pasifiki a neafi I aukalani no sila. Nei ai tonu ai e whaiongongo ai whaleni se nolita tu I vai o ne o mai e whakaiki.
Ko e taha ne whainga māli le leima e ngai whanua Pasifiki o kawai a Tongani. I he whainga māli e ko tāle pule anga Nuusila, ki ono holoki ai totongi ai kole ngofua folau, pe koe visa application fee ke ni ihi ko ia o kuna kole folau ewa. Ai holoki aki eni ai paanga eni manoa. Kai kene pe he foki e he minister ki muri a Nuusila, Winston Peters, I he whai ke makehe pe me kau whaingonga Pasifiki I au kalani Nuusilani I he whiawhi aniafi, ko tau muhe polo kalama ko eni ka uhi ki hono whawhainga māli e ai ka kai me Pasifiki ki he wholau me koia ki Nuusilani. Na e whihu ia whoki e he kau whaingongo me he ngai whanua Pasifiki, o gea ngahi mkatu unga pau, ko pau ke kau I he whakahu atu ai kolingo fua wholau o hange ko sivi mo uilelei. Ia mahino kuma mawhi to tongi sivi mo uilelei I he ngai whanua ni ihi I he Pasifiki. Nei pe Winston Peters koe kamata pe eni ai ngā ue mono wakai ai visa kolingo fuafolo ai Pasifiki I he totongi kau ke hoko atu pe ai ngā ue ki hono whalelei ai kolingo fuafolo ai kakai Pasifiki ki Nuusilani. Nei to iai whuku me whihu ia tu unga o ku iai tohi tangi kakai Pasifiki ane whakahoa atu ki whalea lea a Nuusilani ke whakaata hafoi wā I taimi ai kolengo whawholau koe kakai Pasifiki ke nau wholau atu ki Nuusila. Kanai pēr Winston Peters o ke I he te pile ai whalea lea o ke whaipe a hanua lea I pē wakai I whalelei hawhaunga ke weteki ake palapale makwhianghangai mui kakai Pasifiki pehe ki hawhaunga whengau aklele Pasifiki mo Nuusila ni. Kai kēnei hoko te polokalama ke ono kātoanga e tau hongo folu ai whakawhatongi ai Pacifica TV ane wiki ai Peters ai kau tāwha mawhalale ai Pasifiki koe uhi koe ngāoi kāwhakafa o ngā whakahoko I hono kei puke ai mahu inga mo le o ngai whanoi Pasifiki o whakafou e ngahi kau tāwha mawhalalea o kau kei ongo me ngai whanoi Pasifiki pehe ke ngahi taratu whaholo ai ngai whanua taktaha. Na te pehe Peters o mahu inga ai ngā ue o kwhahe PCBL, ko hui koe kauta whamawhalale pehe Pasifiki o kune kei puke ai wāwhinga ue aki, mo ngai whanua Pasifiki I he whamawhalale a. Kai ke he lolotonga polokalamana ani au whangatuku aki a ene mea o pehe, o kumahino ni a utonu mai ke ngai whanua Pasifiki o kawa Tongani ai ngai whiema o vivili o ku whiema o ke tokonia ngai whanua Pasifiki pia mihe pure anga Nuusila. Kai ke tukha ane iwi, whataha pia moe minister ke Pasifiki ai ko Shane Reti ki hono veteki pe ki hono tokonia ngai whanua Pasifiki pia mihe pure anga Nuusila. Pia mi o kalani Nuusila mai o ngonga leitio me televisione Tonga ko Sanolita Tuivai.
Ko e uni o ngongo whaalota whanua ia ke hawani koe ngahi o ngongo mihe malai o sipoti hoko mai a mo pie a olie.
Malo mo tau ki whilonga ki koe whakaini ke malai o e sipoti. O kui kei toe tukuange pe iai ha tūkui ngā tai whaia ko e whangataika mi he whakahifo, Benji Marshall, i hono kumia whainga maari ke puke ai e kapakau to e senta Tonga ene timi hea masi makasini, te ria ene tafoki ki haka puru i unioni. Ko makasini foki o ku whakatau hoa he tokolahi, ko e whetu hopo ine o kune whakawawai helo Tonga e olpereki, Jona Lomu, he ne hange hatu oni matangi i hiva ngofuru tupu. Na ui a hea masi ki he timi tau tahawan whawhanua a Australia haka puru i unioni, ki mua hanu hamuse West Tigers e wanoa ua wha i a rea pau tau e tolu i e whiahu e nāra e la. I e wikeni, o teu ke wa inga e senta a pongpongi pe ma a Tigers i he teu ke pakihi ko ia mo e kau boe me whātoke lau ko ia Queensilani i he Leisures Oval. Rotonganina e whahae makasin ki he kautaha o ngohi a Australia i kamatanga ko ia wikeni ai awa mai e matapā ke toi foki ki a kapuru unioni rotongani wa inga whapau whesnare. Nei whaha foki hea masi o ku whenga e kalampuni pe ko Tigers ki ha whonga ke puke a ia i e whaasinga e nea pau he whaasinga e whiau he tau fo ou. Kai ke nei whaha foki he whaako Benji Marshall o wikai manako ke whahaenga he whamatalani i he media whaso o siare. Ka ufu mahu inga upito hea masi ke puke i ene timi. Nā ne pe foko e aka puru o ku mahu inga au pito he rotongani pe aku tokanga au pito mo tairi iri te ria na amore a makasini ki aka puru i unioni e ufu mahu inga au pito tal fito ki he ne lere puru fefeka pe malawa pe ke ne toi wa inga e tuunga i he tautua a pe pehewe foki ki he tokolahi o ku nau pehe ko e Jona Lomu eni i he kaha u. O te kei foki e whawapau i e tuunga ko i ai ka koe ngau e koe nu whaha koe Benji Marshall pe mo time Tigers o ku mahu inga au pito ia e ke puke tare niti koe ia o hea masi makasini.
Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he tuunga o ea, i hono tuku mai me wa awake matangi tonga e whamotu whakahoko atu e inoki lelinga.
Malo e lau maare hou eki pe moe lelei a e tonga kotoa, ta tairei piki mo tolu ki e tau whakamatala ea. Ngahi tala nora lahino e tau whakamatala ea, hou e wa whako ia ka hoko mai. Te tau kei whiau atu pe pe moe alo maare e ki kotoa pe o e oto ngā. Te a pe foki ki he maa whanangi ko ia o ea, ki he hou e wa whako ia ka hoko mai. Pe kangare vane wakai ki he imisi satelaite ko ia o e aho ni, ha mahino pe pe me he imisi satelaite e lahi alo maare e ko ia, e ngahi wahi whanua ko ia, o e otu tō ngā i e aho ni. Tukeanga ngahi wheitu una e au whia i a ngahi taimi ka nei lahi alo maari pe ai otu tō ngā i e aho ni. Wai whuka alo tā maki au ne ngā unu mai ke potu tahi koia o teriki tonga pe mo teriki toke lau. Pea koe alo tā mako e ni o kui kaiha newe sia ki he o tō ngā hoa koe ua whaa ka hoko mai. Wakaire wain ke aho koe ni maka hoko mai pe me he Pasifiki. Koe alo maari e ni unilo tonga pure i koe tu unga o ea pea pehe foki ki he tokanga hawiri toka ia ke whakatonga hake koe o tonga. Kau whai tokanga koe alo tāmaki. Ne fōu ke whakatoki lau hake te ne ngā unmai ki hongo niwa. Pehe foki wawau pe moha pai ki e whaasinga wike. Ne omi ha uha tu motooni ke tau whea pe moe. Pea ngā unu whebiki Tongatapu pe mo iwa ke kamatango e wikau. Ne omi ha uha tu moto ki e ngai vai whanua o tonga. O tongo ia e ngā unu mai ha alo maari pe me whakatonga hake. Pea tene omi ha alo maari ki he kotoa pe o tonga, ki he konga loto ia o wike kaha u. Ka koe whamatala ia rewan pa me he pōni o au ki he pongpong ko ia a pongi te tau whiawat pa moe alo maari ki he ngai vai whanua kotoa o tonga i he pōni o au ki a pongi. Tūke heangi hanga hi taimi e au whia, ka e lahi alo maari pe ngai vai whanua o tonga. Vai whanua ko ia o niwa fo'o, malawa ki iai, ha uha tu motoa maa pe i hanga hi taimi ka e lahi alo maari ai vai whanua ko ia o niwa fo'o. Pefo ki niwa top tapu ki he pōni. Mo tahane fua mawhana, e au ki he maulalo, ko e tikiri e ua whaa ki hapai ua nema ki Tongatapu mo ewa. Pefo ki wawau pea ua ono ki he ongo niwa. Ko e hawiripa mei he tonga hake, ki he kotoa pe o e otu tonga, mare taha ngafuru ke taha nima, pea hiki haki wau ki mare taha ua noa tau te whito pe nia, ki he vai whanua ko ia o niwa fo'o. Whamatala ea koe ki a pongi, hoko te ai alo maari e ki he kotoa pe o o tonga. Whakaau pe foki ke au whia e ngahi taimika koe ngahi ao maalunga pina e uksi isi e whainga maari e ke ne omi ha uha ki he otu tonga ki a pongpong. Lahi alo maari e pe ki a pongpong ki kotoa pe e ngahi vai whanua koe o tonga. Me niwa fo upe wau ki Tongatapu pea mo eua. Maalunga tahane fua mawhana ki a pongpongi e au ki he maalunga koe tikiri e tolu taha ki he tolua ki kotoa pe o e otu tonga. Taimi ko ia o e tahi, tau maari e tahi te o fulu ko ia ki e whāhinghengi ia, a pongi pe a mahatoka ia, i he toi wanoa ko ia ki hongo fulu. Pongi e pe mo ia a pongi. Ko e la a pe mo e mahina, hopo e la a i he toi tahawalu ko e ke fitu e pongi pe a hopo e mahina, toi kuata ko e ki he ua, i he to a po ia o e pōni. Whaose ko pe whamatalae a hoi nima koe ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa, ka matai pa mi he sāpati o au ki he to o pule lulu koe o wikeni, malawa ki ia i hangahi uhatu umoto, i he tau whai whanonga ko ia, i he aho ko ia e nima ka hoko mai. Ka koe sāpati, malawa ki ia uhatu umoto, ki he houa e whiawhi pe koe pouri ko ia o sāpati. Malunga tahane fua mawhana a hoi nima ka hoko mai au ki tikiri e tolu taha ki he tolu ua. Ki Nuku'alofa pea koe taungatanga pe ia ki au ni, malo bito ho mumea mai, ka mumea.
I no ke lelenga ia mai to unga oe ea, ka tau toi wakayangi pihe ki ngahi ulo i o ngongo. Malo loi whine mui tau taha walo me kolomotua i he whātua tā maki he hala pule anga i ka naku polo. Lawa whekakai ni nau au kao mai ki he whalelotu senituli aniafi ki ono malanga i senituli e kolisi kuni Salote o a whio ai mo e na a whiwhio. Pea i kona ai o wau tuku pale ki mo unga o e ahoni koe whamalo ia e kolisi kuni Salote ma i moa ola ai uloa ki wha i ono whukotu o e kolisi ni ma ai whanau whiwhine. Mo e kakato ai peia o ngahi o ngongo mo le tio kai uma ai televisione to ngā ki houani mo whaka amu nea o taki kotoa atu ia ki no to whale kotoa. Kai malo i tau kei whi au mai ka mō mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for this Friday evening, March 13th. Taking a look at tonight's top stories, Queen Salote College celebrates 100 years of educating generations of young girls in Tonga. A road accident early this morning claimed the life of an 18-year-old girl, and the New Zealand Foreign Minister Winston Peters announces the reduction of visitor visa fees to New Zealand for Pacific Islands, including Tongan nationals. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest sports news and weather updates. Now for the news in detail, I am Popoa Aho. The Queen Salote College centennial celebrations officially kicked off yesterday, the day the student body, teachers, alumni and many supporters had been waiting and so eagerly prepared for. The official programs for the 4-day celebrations began early yesterday morning with a prayer service held at the school before the Thanksgiving service and other programs on the agenda for day one. The Thanksgiving service to mark the day was held at the Centenary Church of the Free Wesleyan Church of Tonga and was graced by the presence of Their Majesties King Tupou VI and Queen Nanasba'u, along with nobles and many distinguished guests. The president of the Free Wesleyan Church, Reverend Dr. David Havea, delivered the sermon, with the readings throughout the service being supported by alumni and former staff of the college, representing various alumni chapters both here in Tonga and from abroad, including members of the royal family, Her Majesty the Queen leading the opening prayer, Princess Latu reading the first hymn, Crown Princess Inaitakala reading the Psalm of the Day, and Princess Hanaivalmata'aho reading the second hymn. The Thanksgiving prayer to mark the centennial anniversary was then led by the former Free Wesleyan Church President, Reverend Dr. Ahio. After the church service, a royal luncheon was hosted at Bangailahi by the student body. During the luncheon, the students also performed the school's traditional dance, the Ma'onu'ulu, titled Tala o No'au, with Her Royal Highness Princess Hanaivalmata'aho featuring in the highest ranked position as the Vahenga. A large number of people have travelled from overseas to join the celebrations, and the excitement surrounding the centennial preparations has spread across the whole country. Other schools, workplaces, businesses, and even government offices, including the Prime Minister's office, have shown their support and congratulations to Queen Salote College by wearing blue attire and sharing congratulatory messages on social media, reflecting the warm spirit of the celebrations. The centennial celebration of Queen Salote College has brought the entire nation together this week, with the country getting a public holiday in honour of the 100th anniversary of the school, which was declared last week by Cabinet to be observed yesterday, March 12, as a show of government support in marking this significant milestone for one of the country's oldest schools, and to acknowledge the college's contributions over the past 100 years to many generations of Tongans. Before dawn this morning, Their Majesties King Tupou VI and Queen Nuku'alofa joined Queen Salote College in a special wreath-laying ceremony at the Moimoi Royal Tombs as part of the programs to mark the school's 100th anniversary.
At this morning's special event, Her Royal Highness Princess Latu read the history of Tonga's kings and royalty laid to rest at Moimoi, highlighting their work and contributions to improving education and the development of Tonga. Her Royal Highness honoured the efforts of those who had gone before, paving the way for the school that has influenced many generations of Tongan women over the past century. She also highlighted the history of the past 5 monarchs interred at the royal tombs, recognizing the good leadership and vision they had for education and Christianity in Tonga. This was an important part of the Queen Salote College's centennial celebrations, honoring the royal family and the Queen, that the school is named in honor of Queen Salote, wife to King Tupou I.
A road accident early this morning has claimed the life of an 18-year-old girl. She had been driving the vehicle that crashed into a utility pole on the side of the road in Nuku'alofa.
The commander of the Tongatapu police station's Tongatau says the deceased was driving with 2 passengers also in the vehicle when the accident occurred. They were heading back into town from Ha'atafu, and as they reached Nuku'alofa, the vehicle swerved off to the right side, crashing into a utility pole. All 3 were rushed to Viola Hospital, where the driver was pronounced dead. One of the passengers also sustained critical injuries, but both passengers are in recovery at Viola Hospital. Taufa confirms alcohol was a major contributor to the incident, but they are yet to speak to the passengers to continue the investigations. Taufa again urged the public to be more cautious on the roads, especially at a time where there are many festivities with the current celebrations in the country, warning partygoers to have a designated sober driver and not to get behind the wheel if they have been drinking. This is the 3rd death recorded so far in the year in relation to road accidents.
Police are investigating human remains that were discovered at Yellow Pier or Wafu America this week. Members of the public had made the discovery, a closed bag filled with bones and tied to a rock in the sea, and reported it to police on Wednesday afternoon. Tongataufa from Tonga Police say they have so far confirmed these are human bones, but will have further details as the investigations continue. And the New Zealand government has agreed to reduce the cost of visitor visas for Pacific people travelling to New Zealand, which will take effect on June 1st. This was announced yesterday by New Zealand's Foreign Minister Honourable Winston Peters during a press conference with Pacific Media in Auckland.
During the press conference, Right Honourable Winston Peters said the visa fee will be reduced by 50 New Zealand dollars, dropping from 214 New Zealand dollars to 164 New Zealand dollar. He explained that the purpose of lowering the visitor visa fee for Pacific people is to make it easier for them to travel to New Zealand. Journalists also asked about the required conditions for visa applications, such as medical checks, as the cost of medical examinations is very high in some Pacific countries. Honourable Peaches responded that this is just the beginning of efforts to review the Pacific visitor visa system. Another question was raised about a petition from Pacific communities submitted to the New Zealand Parliament asking that Pacific people be allowed to travel to New Zealand without needing to apply for a visa. He said the petition remains on the parliamentary table and is still under discussion as the government considers better ways to address the challenges facing Pacific people and to strengthen cooperation between Pacific nations and New Zealand. Meanwhile, the event continued with celebrations marking the 10th anniversary of Pacifica TV. During the celebration, Honourable Peaches praised the Pacifica Broadcasting Organisation for its important work in maintaining the voices, values and identities of Pacific nations through media, including news from Pacific countries and the preservation of each nation's traditions. He also said the work of PCBL, or Pacifica Community Broadcasting Limited, is important because it is a Pacific broadcasting organization that continues to strengthen communication and cooperation among Pacific nations through broadcasting. He concluded by saying that during his visits to Pacific countries, he clearly understands the strong desire of small Pacific Island nations to receive greater support from New Zealand. He added that he will continue working closely with the Minister for Pacific Peoples, Shen Reti, to make processes easier for Pacific Islands.
That's your local news for tonight. Up next, we'll join Pia Olia for the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. The West Tigers coach, Benji Marshall, has revealed that his club is determined to keep his rising Tongan star, Hermasi Makasini, after the teenager revealed he may consider a switch to rugby union in the future. The 18-year-old has already drawn comparisons to legendary All Blacks winger John Alomu because of his size and explosive running style. Makasini signed a 3-year deal with the Tigers in 2024 after representing Australia at junior level in rugby union. He is set to start in the Sanders when the Tigers open their season against the North Queensland Cowboys at Leichhardt Oval this Saturday. The teenager scored a try on his NRL debut in the final round last year and impressed during the pre-season with his powerful attacking displays. Marshall says Makasini remains a key part of the club's future and the Tigers will do everything they can to keep him beyond the end of his contract in 2027.
That was Pia Olia with sports. Now let's take a look at the latest weather update from the Foremoto Weather Forecasting Centre with Inoke Nilenga.
Hello again and good evening. Welcome to your evening forecast and also your weekend weather update. Here's what we're expecting for the next 24 hours. Fine weather across Tonga with warm and humid air temperature for the next 24 hours. Looking at the satellite imagery, we're seeing less cloud over our areas of responsibilities, and these reflect the fine weather that we experience today. However, there's an active trough approaching from the west into Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau coastal waters, and this active trough here won't affect our land areas in the next 24 hours. But here's a look at the next 5 days across the region. We're looking at this trough that is currently developed over the northeast of the Niuas, and we're expecting this trough to move into the Niuas, bringing some occasional showers, possible heavy falls, also Vava'u and Ha'apai by the end of this week, and will continue to move down to Tongatapu and Eua by the start of next week. Meanwhile, a ridge of high pressure will extend from the southeast, bringing us fine weather by mid next week. But here's our forecast from tonight up until tomorrow morning. We're expecting fine weather across Tonga for tonight up until tomorrow morning, except these are cloudy periods, but these are just high clouds which are less likely to bring showers to our land areas. Except Nuku'alofa, we're expecting some few showers over some areas, but will be mainly fine for the rest of Tonga. Minimum temperature for tonight will be dropped down to 24 for Hapai, 25 for Tongatapu and Ewa and also for Wa'o, and 26 for the newest. Wind still prevails from the southeast for all of Tonga, 10 to 15 knots, then rising up to 20, especially for Niue for all. Our forecast for tomorrow, mainly fine for tomorrow except cloudy periods, and these are just high cloud again, less likely to bring showers of rain. Becoming cloudy for most part of Tonga, but will be mainly fine for our land areas. Our maximum for tomorrow will be reaching up to 31 to 32 degrees Celsius for all of Tonga. And our tide prediction, high tide will be at 10 minutes to 4 a.m. Early tomorrow morning, and low tide will be at 20 minutes to 10 a.m. tomorrow morning again. Sun and moon sunrise will be at 18 minutes to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and moonrise will be at 1:45 to 2 a.m. later tonight. And wrapping up with the forecast for the next 5 days. For Nuku'alofa, starting by Sunday up until Thursday next week, we're expecting some isolated showers for Nuku'alofa in the next 5 days. Maximum temperature for the next 5 days for Nuku'alofa will be reaching up to a top of 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. And that will be all for tonight.
Thank you to Inoke and the Met Service team for that latest weather update. That wraps up this evening's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Queen Salote College celebrates 100 years of educating generations of young girls in Tonga. A road accident early this morning claimed the life of a 18-year-old girl, and New Zealand Foreign Minister Winston Peters announces the reduction of visitor visa fees to New Zealand for Pacific Islanders, including Tongan nationals. That was your news package for this Friday evening, March 13th. For more on these stories, you can visit our website on www.tbc.to. Thank you for joining us. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you again next week. Good evening.